Okay, I guess that was a sighting lap. We're here at Bangkok Motorbike Festival 2019, Sunday morning. We got a little roll here with the ladies pit bike competition. They just did their sighting lap and about ready to go. There's one young lady was removed from the grid because they couldn't get her crotch rocket to start. Looks like some of these things are temperamental. I've never in my entire life witnessed a full race of these things before, so this is kind of exciting. But again, this is the ladies division. The men's division just ran. And we're here in beautiful Bangkok, Thailand at the Central World. Well, oh, they're killing the engines. I guess they're waiting for the start. Okay, I'm gonna probably cancel this here. So here we are, Bangkok Motorbike Festival. Nothing's happening yet. It's still early in the morning, except for these guys. Okay, here we go. They got her started. They're gonna fire up now. Okay, here we go. Just a few moments. We're rolling on the race. Got a huge crowd here. Got the SkyTrain zipping by. Okay, this is pretty exciting. Okay. The green flag's about ready to be waved. Here we go. Okay, the race is on. Oh my God, here we go. Oh, we got a crash in the beginning. This pink's already out. Here we go. Whoa. Oh, this is exciting. This is exciting. Okay, I have no idea how many laps. Okay, there's lap 1. We got 2:22 way out in the lead here. She's doing great. Followed by number 10. I didn't see it. Oh, we got another go. Almost big crash here. Okay. Okay, here we go, lap 2. All right, on the second lap, we still have the same leader. Oh, looks like number 8's going for a pass and fighting for second place. We got a fight for second place going on here. Number 8's almost got it. She's gonna, oh, she's working it. Okay, here comes this little girl here. Oh, she almost hit the hay bales. Here comes our leader. Leader's about ready to lap. All right, 2:22. Up number, we still have the fight for second. Still fighting for second place. Actually, the second place fighter, number 8, was the one that was having a hard time starting earlier. Here we go. This is exciting stuff here, folks. Oh, this girl's awfully cute. She's doing it up. Oh, I think, yeah, she's hitting some oil on the track here. Okay, number 8's got it here. This is exciting stuff. Okay. Oh, here we go. Big crash into the hay bales. Okay. I think we're okay here. Crashed out. That's an unfortunate. Okay. Gotta get her going. Make sure the kill switch is off, keys on. Don't flood the engine. Oh my God. I think number 8, has she pulled in the lead? I've lost track of 2:22. Back here. Okay. I think number 8 here, she's flying. Up, careful. She's coming in hot. Oh, look at that. This is exciting stuff here. They're really pushing it here in Bangkok. Here we go. Our future Thai MotoGP racers. Oh man. I am so happy I came over here to take a look at what's going on. This is awesome. Some of these, like 222 is doing kind of a good line. 8's coming in way too tight and going way too wide. I'm not seeing anybody demonstrate any really good lines. They should be coming from the outside, cutting in here. Actually, she just came in with 07. Oh, see, 07 there just did a great line, actually. She just came in with a great line. 88, not so bad. Look at them putting their feet down. I didn't know that was allowed, or is it allowed? Well, I guess it's allowed because they're doing it now. Look at number 8. See, she's coming from the outside, or number 7, I should say. Here's number 8 or 9. Can't read the numbers. Here's 88, a little bit tighter. Okay, I've lost count of the... Oh, I guess that was it. She won. Number 10 won? Wow, I'm confused. Wow. Okay. Pretty exciting stuff, huh? Okay. Wow, how cool is that? That's pretty awesome. Okay, I think that's pretty much it. We're gonna go do a little walk through here, through the pits. And then I'm gonna continue my walk to see what's going on here. Here we are, there's a future MotoGP racer right there, racing at Buriam. The new Rossi. There we go. Pretty exciting stuff here, huh? Congratulations, very cool. Look at these little guys. This is awesome. How cool is this? Look at these little guys. Little crotch rocket monsters here. This is so cool. Very, very cool. Definitely some of our future Thai MotoGP racers here. Exciting stuff. Super, super exciting. This is great stuff here. Look at these guys. You got the little Yamaha there. Awesome. Okay, it looks, you know what? Looks like we got even littler guys going up next. But I think I'm gonna take off, I think. Yeah, this is so cute. Really, really cute. Oh, what do we have here? Yeah, I guess these are the guys getting ready. Look at these. Or is this the one that just raced? They just raced. Doing some last minute adjustments for the next race. Awesome. Very, very cool. You guys gonna be racing MotoGP soon? Go race against Rossi? Not yet? You look great out there. Congratulations. Look really good. Look really good. All right. So that's that. I think the girls did a fabulous job. They did awesome. And here's some guys showing up early. All right, thanks for checking this out. I'm on my walk.